So this is the all new 27 speed MTB by CRADIAC. It's called the CRADIAC Storm. Now what makes it special apart from being 27 speed is that it has the Logan hydraulic disc brakes right here. It also comes to the SHIMANO Alivio M3100 shifters. Now moving downwards, we have the 29-inch tires, and it comes with the Zoom Macera lockout suspensions. And moving down here, we have the SHIMANO front sealed hub with the 160mm disc brake. Now moving down here, we have the SHIMANO M2000 front derailleur and the 9-speed cassette as well. It's by SHIMANO, and the derailleur, rear derailleur, it's the SHIMANO Alivio M3100. Now both the front and the back wheels, they have quick release